Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Trello for project management. Whether you're coordinating a team or managing personal tasks, Trello is a versatile tool that keeps everything organized and on track. First, head over to the Trello website and log in. To start a project, click the Create button at the top and set up your first project board. Give your board a clear descriptive title that reflects your project's purpose. This helps everyone on your team understand its focus. Once your title is set, click Create to finalize your board. Next, let's add some structure. Set up lists within your board. These act as categories to organize tasks into different stages or types. Click on the list name field, type your first list's name, and click Add List. Repeat this for as many lists as you need to match your workflow. Now it's time to add cards, which represent individual tasks. Click Add a Card, type the task name, and click outside the card to save it. You can then move these cards across lists as your project progresses, assign team members, add due dates, and attach files. And there you have it, a quick guide to using Trello for effective project management. With these steps, you can organize projects efficiently, stay on top of tasks, and keep your team aligned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.